of the city lights. A silhouette slices through the night, the legendary Porsche 911, unleashing its unmistakable roar as it surges forward with breathtaking precision. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, a symbol of pure speed and timeless performance. Watch as the 911 rockets down the asphalt, its twin-turbo flat-six engine pushing out explosive power, pinning you to the seat with every gear shift. With aerodynamic curves carved by decades of racing heritage, the 911 glides like a blade through the wineshark, controlled and fearless. The LED headlights pierce the darkness, the wide rear stance grips the road with unwavering confidence, and every throttle input awakens a storm behind you. Whether you're sprinting down the highway or slicing through mountain curves, the Porsche 911 transforms every moment into a pulse racing experience. Tonight, it's not just a drive, it's a statement of dominance. This is the Porsche 911, iconic, powerful, and born to outrun anything that dares challenge it. Let's dive into the full review and feel the adrenaline for ourselves. The iconic Porsche crest on the 911 isn't just a logo, it's a symbol of power, heritage, and prestige that has dominated the automotive world for decades. With a design inspired by the coat of arms of Stuttgart, the logo features a powerful black horse rearing up, embodying unmatched strength and unstoppable acceleration, exactly the spirit of the 911 when it launches down the road. This is more than a badge. This is the heartbeat of the Porsche 911, iconic, fearless, unmistakable. The headlights cut through the night with a crisp, fierce glow, bold, modern, and unmistakably built for speed, giving the car a commanding presence on every road. The steering wheel feels tight and purposeful, crafted for precision, wrapped in premium materials, and delivering every vibration of the road straight to your fingertips. It's where control, confidence, and pure driving emotions come together. The display screen comes alive with a sharp, high-definition glow, clean, responsive, and intuitively designed, giving you instant control over every driving function with a single touch. The air conditioning system delivers cool, refined breeze, quiet, precise, and effortlessly smooth, keeping the cabin perfectly comfortable no matter how fast the drive gets. The sunroof glides open like a silent invitation to the sky. Sunlight floods the cabin, creating a warm, open atmosphere that instantly lifts your mood. As the glass slides back, the world above becomes part of the drive. Blue skies, drifting clouds, and the rush of wind blend seamlessly with the car's refined interior, making every moment feel alive. It adds a sense of freedom you can feel deep in your chest, turning even a short trip into an unforgettable experience. Whether cruising through the city streets or chasing the horizon on an open road, the sunroof transforms each journey into something brighter, wider, and exhilarating. The Porsche 911 glides through the frame as seen from above, its sleek curves catching every glint of sunlight. The flycam sweeps along the road, revealing the car's aggressive stance, flawless design lines, and roaring presence from every angle. As the camera rises and spins, the 911 blasts down open asphalt, leaving trails of light and motion blur behind, creating a sense of unstoppable speed. Every shot emphasizes the harmony of engineering and elegance, making the car look larger than life. The aerial perspective captures more than just a vehicle, it showcases a masterpiece in motion, where every curve, reflection, and shadow tells the story of power, precision, and pure driving passion.